Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So another day, another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the data frame using pandas. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first here I'm opening my Google Colab. So I'll select the new notebook. So once it open, so here what exactly pandas? Pandas is a library, Python library. So using that, we can create our data frame, right? So I hope you understand. It's very simple concept. So first we have to import the library of pandas. How? So you just type import pandas as pd as pd. Then now we imported import pandas as pd, right? So next, so first I will consider the list. Okay, so I will show you how to convert list into a data frame. Clear? So let me select a list. I'll call it a variable as list. So here I'll consider a few names. Let me select my name, and so I'll select one more name. Just a second. Yeah. So again I'll select one more name, Raj. Then I'll select Ram. Then I'll select one more name, that is Suresh. Done. So this is our list. Now we have to convert into data frame. So let me call it as df as a data frame. So here I'm using pandas as a pd. As I told you, we are calling this pandas function as a pd, like alias. So I'll select data frame. Remember, this is case sensitive. Here I'm using capital D and this is capital F. So data frame. So that what is our data frame? That is list. So lst. And next, so we have to print those things, right? So let me select print. So what do you want to print, whether list or df? So we have to print the df. So I'll select df. Let me run this. So it's loading. After that you will get your data frame with the index. So yeah, still it's loading. We have to wait for some times because Google Colab compared to this Jupyter and a little bit slow, but no problem. As you can see here, so we didn't mention the column name. For that reason it's showing 0. And here you can see index 0, 1, 2, 3 and Basu, Raj, Ram, Suresh. So this is how we are going to convert a list into data frame. I hope this is clear. So similarly, how we can create a data frame using dictionary, right? So let me show you that. So here only I will edit, or we'll take another one. So I'll type, again we have to import. So if you are using already, you are calling the library pandas earlier, so no need to use again. If you are not, again you have to use pandas as pd. This is library, always you should use this. So here I will call dic as our dictionary. So we have to use the dictionary. So I'll flower bracket or curly braces, whatever you can say. So here I will use name, right? So in this, we are going to type our list, right? As I told you, we can create a few names like Vasu and Raj. Let me collect the same thing only for showing that, right? So then I will call Ram. So take one more example. So let me select again Suresh. Done. So similarly, we'll create one more. So let me consider age. Okay, so age should be, so I'll take it as 19, 20, 22, 21. Okay, corresponding to that we have four names corresponding to that. I'm calling the age 19, 20, 22 and 21. I hope this is clear. Similarly, we can add two more example, like let me select address, right? So here I will call it as, okay, so let me select few address. So I'll call it as Delhi, right? So simply I'll take it as KA, that is Karnataka. Then I will take MP, right? Then we'll take one more example, that is AP, right? And let me select Qualification also I'll call it as, so this is what we are calling name, age, address. That should be your column, right? The remaining thing, Basu, Raj, Ram, Suresh, and age, numbers, numerical values, you can see, no? So that is your rows. I hope this is clear. So here I'll select qualification. Okay. So let me select a few qualification. So whatever you want. So I'll select BE, Bachelor of Engineering. Then I'll take MSc. Then I'll take MA. Then let me consider MBA. Done. So till now we created our dictionary. Then we have to use this in our data frame, right? So you can give any name. So I'll create here. Let me select our data frame. We can call it as anything. So I'll take simple AB. That is our data frame is equal to. So we have to convert this dictionary into our data frame. PD dot. So again we have to use data. Remember, this is case sensitive. We should use data frame only, capital D and capital F. So here we have to call this dictionary. So I'm calling the variable as dic, right? So next we have to print this function, right? So let me select print. Let's see what will happen. So first I'll print AB. Let me see. Do we get any error or not? Okay, we are getting error. Okay, age. So as you can see here, age, okay, it's in the bracket. All right, okay, we forgot the comma here. So after that we have to put the comma. Sorry, I forgot. Done. So let me run this again. Yeah, now you can see we have created our data frame. So name, as I told you, name, age, address, and qualification. Right? This is how we are going to create a data frame using dictionary. I hope this is clear. Now, let me do some work in the columns and rows. Okay, declaring or dealing with the rows and columns. Right? As you can see here, we are using small n. We are getting small n. So let me make it some neat one. So I'll use capital A here, and here also capital A, and this is also capital Q. Let me run this. So now you can see this is looks neat, isn't it? Okay. Now suppose I want only a name and qualification. I don't want this age and address. We have to iterate. Okay, we have to segregate. We have to sort out these things. I want only two columns, that is name and qualification. How will you do? So let me do one thing. So I'll select print, right? So print our data frame as AB in that. So what do you want? You want name, right? So you have to type name as it is. It should be capital. As I told you, this is case sensitive. Then we want qualification. So capital Q, qualification, right? Qualification, right? So once you run this program, let's see what will happen. Okay, qualification is not found. Spelling error. QA. Okay, I forgot L there, but here I'm using. Okay, qualification. Let me run this. As you can see here, we sort out these things. So I want to only name and qualification. Here I'm getting name and qualification. This is how we can deal with the columns, right? Similarly, how we can deal with the rows. Suppose I want only Ram, that is in the index number 2. I want only Ram age, address, and qualification. The third row, how will you print? So that's the question here. So how will you do? Okay. So similarly, so as I told you, we can create the data frame using list, and we can create the data frame in the dictionary as well, right? And similarly, we did some work. Okay, we created our data frame. Through that, we sort out, we took, okay, we extract only name and qualification from this AB data frame, right? Similarly, we'll do something. Okay, so let me select first, we'll extract row only. Now I want Ram, right? So here, so I'll call it as a variable first. Then I will select, so our data frame, what is our data frame? AB dot So here I'm using LOC, right? LOC is our function here, right? So here, which one you want? Okay, so I want RAM. As I told you, we have to select RAM. Okay, so next we have to call the function. So sorry, not a function, we have to show this first, right? So print, show me the first. What is the first? What will happen? So first here is showing first. Let me run this. So now, okay, RAM is not showing. It's an error. Okay, first ab.loc. It's an error. Okay, uh, key error RAM. Okay, fine. ab.loc at RAM. Okay, okay. Let me change this. I think that's correct only. loc. We want RAM, right? Okay, okay. Fine. So here RAM. Then we'll run this. Okay, no access named. Okay, what will be the error? Let me think this. Okay, so here, okay, small r m. Okay, oh shit. Okay, no access name down for an object. Okay, fine. So again, we'll run this. Still, we are getting error. What will be the error? Okay. Let me read this error. During handling of the above expression, another expression occurred. Okay, fine. So here, okay, so we are selecting RAM, but we didn't mention the column name, isn't it? So let me select only two numerical values because so we didn't mention what is the column name. Simply we are writing RAM. That's wrong actually. Yes. Now we run. We'll get answer. Yeah. So name RAM. So age 22, MP, Madhya Pradesh, and qualification MA. So here we should use values index number, right? If you want to use the name, we should use the column name. Okay, index dot column. So there you have to select name. I hope this is clear. Similarly, I want another one. So second, so I will call our data frame AB. So I'll select LOC. Okay, so let me select 3. Let's see what will happen. So we have to call this. So I'll type second, run this. Okay, here you can see the third one is Suresh. We are getting the answer Suresh, right? Suppose if you want to use the index here, we can use the index. So I will use another one. Let consider CD again our variable. You can take it any variable. So CD again I will call AB dot IOC, that is index ILOC. So here I'll consider as 2. Sorry, let me say 1 is to 3. Let's see what will happen. So again, I've got the function cd, then run this. So here you can see it will start from 1, that is Raj, as you can see here. Okay, and it will end before the 3 comes. Okay, 1 is to 3, 1 and 2 you will get. This is how we can use the index in pandas. I hope this is clear. So in this video we learned how to create our data frame using list and dictionary, and how to deal with the rows and columns. So this is the first part of the video. In the second video I will explain how to do different iteration through the rows and columns, and we can use the field. We can deal with the null values. I hope this video is clear, and please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, so then only we can get the new videos. So another 2 days I will upload one more video, which is continue of this part 1. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.